So first of all, I will like to give a huge shout out to Muhammad Ali. It's Grubs, Stars, Zodiac, Alan Williams, AH and Athletics for commenting on my videos, and Femina Riaz for subscribing to my channel. So thank you for supporting me. So as we were focusing on one website and working on that, so I thought we can make it as a complete series. So will be easier for the new viewers as well. So here you can see as we first created the portfolio website. So when you will go to my playlist, so here is the playlist that I created. So here in the first video we created the complete portfolio website, and next we created a contact form to solve the SMTP issue in the same website. Then I have created video for fetching the videos from YouTube and showing them on the website. And next we created a custom post type for the portfolio, and then we created advanced custom field for the portfolio custom post type, and then we created main page and the single post page for the custom post type, and we saw how we can use the advanced custom fields on that. So these 6 videos I have created already, and 2 of them are published, and next 4 are being edited. And now we will see how we can export the custom post type and import in another website. As you know, we were following this website as a reference, so we will see how we can export all the custom posts from this website to the one that we were building. So this is the website that we were using as a reference. So here we will need to we want to export all the custom posts from this website. So we will go to export. So here you can see we have the portfolio option over here. So sometimes this button don't show over here, so that's what our next video will be. You can access the playlist if you face issue in exporting the custom posts from one website. So here we will select the portfolio and we will click on download export file. So here you can see we have downloaded the XML, and now we will go to the website. Have to import now, so we will go to tools and we will go to import. So here we will have to click on run importer. If you don't see run importer button, you can just click on the install now button that you will see. So you can install it and then you can click on run importer. So here we will have to choose the XML file. So here we will see an error that I will tell you how you can solve. So we will actually don't see error, but we will see an issue that I will show you. So we can go to the website. So we will now go to portfolio. So you can see the titles, but you will see some issues that maybe some of the things will not show correctly. Like here you can see the project description result, but you cannot see the featured image, and you can also not see the big image that should show over here, and then you cannot see the tools and technologies as well. So that's the issue. So this is because we have issue in the advanced custom fields. So we will go to the portfolio items and we will just delete all of these. So we will have to delete all of them from the trash as well. So let's go to SCF and select field group. So here edit the field group that we created. So now go to the reference website as well, and here you need to go to ACF as well and go to field group. So here you can edit it, and here you can see the same 4 things that we have here. So the issue is this name field. So this is the issue. So we need to have the same name in both sides. So we will just copy this name for live URL. So we will go to edit and we will change the field, and next we will open this one, and next we will go to this, and here is tools. So we will copy it and we will paste it over here, and then we have result. So we will copy the result and we will paste it over here, so it's all fine. And then we will copy this thing and we will paste it in the big image over here. So click on save changes. As we have changed the field names, so now all the fields will be imported correctly, but one problem will still exist, that is the images import problem. So images will not be imported when you will try to import them. So how we can import the images while exporting file from the website? So the problem is when we export the posts or the custom post types from the website. So the problem is that it does not export the images with it, as the images are not exported in the file. So when you will import, they will not show. So we will see how we can fix them. So for that I have found this article. So here you can read this article. You can search for the how to import WordPress posts with images if you want, but I will tell you how you can exactly do that. So here I have found a plugin that will solve this issue of the images. So it will export medias with the selected content. So we will have to install this plugin so we can download it. So let's go to the website from where you want to export the posts or the custom post types, and you can go to plugin and add new. And here you can download and upload this plugin, or you can just search for the plugin over here. So this is the plugin, we will install it. Activate. So the plugin is installed and activated. So now we will go to tools and export. So here you can see we have installed the plugin, and now we see this tick mark option over here. So you can select the posts or whatever you want to export. So in our case, we like to export the portfolio. So we will tick mark this and we will download the export file. So let's go back to the website, and here we will have to import the file. So we will go to import, tools and import, run importer. And here you will have to choose the file. We'll upload this file and update file, upload file, download and import file attachments, and select your user and click on submit. So this will take a little bit of time maybe, because it is also importing the images as well, and depending on the size and the numbers of images, it will take its time. So the posts are imported. So let's go to the portfolio and you can click on edit. So here you can see the featured image and the big image as well. So let's go to the website. So you can see the project description, the tools and technologies, the big image, and the result is imported. and the featured image is imported as well. So thank you for watching the video and like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more related videos and do watch this playlist if you want to build your website and want to solve the issues that occur while creating your website.